Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sarna Shanmuganathan and I like to share all my drawing techniques and tips with you. Today I am going to show you unboxing and review of Staedtler Mars Lumograph Graphite Pencil Set. In one of my previous videos, I draw Aishwarya Rai with graphite pencils. Many people appreciated me and also suggested me to use branded pencils. So I asked many artists to select a pencil brand. All the artists recommended Staedtler. Let's open the box. Very excited to see the artist's best choice pencils. The pencil box is covered with a strong plastic cover. Here you can read Staedtler 6 Mars Lumograph. Pencils values available in this set are HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 7B and 8B. The MRP rate is 675 rupees. If you want to buy this same product, Amazon affiliate link is given in the description. This is a small booklet. They gave details about 4 different pencil types and available values in each different pencil types. First, let's see the HB pencil. We can see the letter HB on every side. That we can take a pencil easily every time without confusion and no need to rotate the pencil to check the values. We can see the words made in Germany and Mars Lumograph. Now let's check the shading for different value pencils. First I'm going to draw 6 boxes to check the 6 pencils. HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 7B, 8B. Now I shading with minimum pressure. With minimum pressure we can see how much we can shade very lightly with each different values. Now I shading with high pressure. With maximum pressure we can see how much we can shade very darkly with each different values. Now you can compare each pencil how much you can give light and dark so that you can get all the clear idea about values. Now let's see a basic graphite pencil drawing for an example using all these 6 pencils. First we can draw a circle with shape scale. You can also use any round shape things to draw round. We can lighten the outline with a kneaded eraser. And also, I draw the outline for shadow. Now we are going to shade with HB pencil and I am going to leave round spot for highlight. You can see I'm using very light pressure for this. we can use the paper stump for blending. Now let's take a 2B pencil and start shading under the highlighted area. Now I'm going to blend this with a paper stump. Every time you have to clean your paper stump with sandpaper before start blending. Now start shading with 4B pencil, and also I'm shading towards the down for the gradual transition. This is called a transitional gradient. After blending this, we can also use 6B, 7B and 8B pencil for shadow. This is 6B. This is 7B. This is 8B for most dark shades on the sphere. Under the shadow, I am leaving some space without darkening. That is for reflected light. With this same shading process, we can achieve the 3D shape of a sphere from the circle. Now we can start shade the shadow to give more 3 dimension to the sphere. For that, first I am using 6B pencil. We can use the paper stump for blending. Now I'm using 7B with leaving some area on the right side because the right side is blurred shadow and the left side there is a sharp edge. Now we can use an 8B pencil for the dark shadow. Okay, now this is the drawing of sphere. I drew this with all these 6 pencils to show all. You can draw this with any number of pencils according to your comfort. Hope you all got full detail about the Staedtler pencils. Let's see a lot of graphite pencil drawings and lessons in the upcoming videos. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.